If you're looking for that perfect lip combo, please continue to watch this video because I have a lip combo that can last all day. First, we're going to start with the MAC Prep and Prime. This will keep your lips together all day. So, gonna get it all at the bottom, all the way at the top, where you would normally get the white line. That's gonna prevent that. Next, we're gonna line the lips with Juvia's Place. This is in the color Cola. This is their Luxe Liner. So let's go ahead. I can get it out. Okay, next we're gonna go in with MAC. This is a retro matte lipstick, and this is in the color Bronx. Okay, so my lips are tacky, so now I'm gonna kind of drag it. Okay, so we're gonna add some more. And what that primer does, it gets really tacky and kind of gooey. And then when this matte dries down on it, it's gonna be so cute. Okay. Now we have the NYX Butter Gloss. I love this stuff. This is in Fortune Cookie. So let's go ahead and let's get that on there. Perfect. Okay, so I want the outer part of my lip to be a little bit darker. So I'm gonna overline my lips like a darker lip liner. And this is just brown. I got this in Sally's. I really don't remember the name of it. And that's it. Perfect lips all day.